Hi, I'm Carmen.
Hi Claire, hi Carmen, welcome to JMU X-Labs. So what are you doing today?
I'm making a wine etched glass, or an etched wine glass. So I just made like this vinyl cutout, and I'm gonna put some paste on it.
Awesome, very cool. Is that a gift for somebody or just for yourself?
This one's just for myself. Yeah. I thought about it. I thought about giving it away, but it's just too good.
Yeah. Have you made gifts here at JMU X-Labs before?
Yeah, all my Christmas gifts. I make everything here.
Nice. And how much time do you guys spend at JMU X-Labs, or how many times have you been here?
This is my first time, actually.
This is your first time?
Yes.
Okay, fun.
I'm super excited.
Yay.
I was encouraged to come, and it's been really fun so far.
Oh, that's awesome.
I don't know how many times I've been here. I come a lot.
You come here a lot. What's your favorite thing at JMU X-Labs? Like
the button maker. The button maker is incredible because it's just so satisfying. Like,
yeah.
You just have to come and see. It's so satisfying to make the
tell the people that they have to come and see.
She's convinced me.
Yes.
I'm an
great.
Yeah.
So Carmen, you said you've been to a lot of pop-ups. What has been your favorite pop-up so far?
Honestly, this one is really cool. Also, I went to one a few years ago before Maddie Palooza, and we got to make blankets.
Oh, okay.
And we also made water bottles. And
that's awesome.
I made a pretty dope water bottle and blanket.
That's so cool. Awesome. And Claire, is there a pop-up that you're looking forward to that you know of?
I don't have one specifically in mind,
but we're gonna go to Open Lab together.
Yeah, like
Absolutely.
This is just so cool, and
Awesome.
I'm having a really good time, so I think I will definitely be back here.
Oh, okay, awesome, great. So hope you enjoy. It got really quiet all of a sudden. Hope you enjoyed the rest of the pop-up, and hope to see you again soon.
Sounds good.
Thank you. Wave bye.
See ya.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to JMU X-Labs. What are your names?
I'm Kristen. I'm Catherine.
Hello, Kristen and Catherine. Can we see your designs that you're working on?
Oh yeah.
Not really.
Oh, not really. That's okay.
You can't really see mine either.
Mine says Lady of the Cave. It's for my mom.
Oh, awesome. And what about yours?
Mine says wine a lot, laugh even more.
That's beautiful.
It's just a joke, but it's for fun.
That's awesome. Have you guys been here before for pop-ups?
Yes.
I haven't. This is my first time.
Okay, welcome. And what has been your favorite pop-up so far?
I did the vinyl one and I did buttons, but I think my favorite was the vinyl, even though it was like so tedious because you had to etch out everyone, but it looked so good at the end.
Yeah.
So I really liked
that's
it.
so awesome. Is there a pop-up that you're looking forward to this semester?
Just more.
Just more?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so awesome. We love to
Yeah,
hear
I'm definitely gonna come back.
that. Very cool. All right, so let me know when you guys are done with your designs, and I'll get another shot.
Perfect.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
No problem.